Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and earlier today I made a video on this and I used back minus front and then to break the curve apart to get this effect. And somebody asked me, how did I know it was back minus front? It's because I drew the ellipse first. If we draw the lines first, I'm going to start moving and hold down the control button. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 20 inches. I'm going to hit the plus key on my keyboard. I'm going to nudge that down. And then I'm going to blend it 8 times. But then I'm going to hit P, put it at the center of the page, and that way my lines are good. I'm going to go to Object, break the blend apart. Now I'm going to draw a second ellipse. So I'm drawing it second. I'm going to make it 20 inches. I'm going to hit P. So now when we select it all, watch what happens when I hit back minus front. It does that. So you can always back up if you go the wrong direction. But if you select it all and go front minus back, you get that. And then you still need to go to Object and break the curve apart to get these to be separated. Anyway, I hope that answers his question. Thank you for watching.